Check out all them toys.
Yeah, I don't want to
I'm really surprised in that saber tooth.
Oh, it tastes little thing. Really Nope.
So is Gaz going to get his HPI out and getting a few jumps in?
Well, hopefully.
Yeah, I was jumping with that, Gareth.
I get that.
Do you know what I might do, Gareth? Sell my RC8 and convert the HPI as a not electric.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. It's a nice jump in that.
Little drifter really, isn't she?
Oh, I like it, look at it.
Take downs.
I haven't got a self-right mechanism on mine. They can come and put me over.
It's not going to happen. Just burn. I'll just probably kill my kit. Try it. Watch that go! Ooh. You know what I mean about this sort of thing, Gareth?
Yeah.
What do you reckon to it?
Quite tidy really. I think I'm getting it, the sun's in the way. Welcome to 6S. Slide!
Go pick it up, Dean!
I keep having the recording going, just hoping he could.
Slapping on top of the neck, Max.
No, not really.
Get out there. Oh, what's happened, Gaz? Oh,
Breakage.
stop driving her, stop driving her.
No, stop, Gav.
You're going to break her?
Yeah, you will.
Yeah, breakage.
Oh, no, don't bother, Gaz, you'll break someone else.
Oh, I know what it is. Front, I got breakages.
Cool little buggy, that.
I'd rather keep this over the tree.
RC8.
Yeah. What do you think?
Yeah, I like it.
It's more fun.
It's more driftability.
It's a bit more solid, I think.
Mm. And plus it doesn't owe you as much either.
No, it doesn't.
I know what it is. Drop down.
Oh, that was nasty.
I can see a piece of something.
Yeah, I can too.
Front.
Yeah.
Little shell bit that goes on there. Little bit there.
Oh, that's gone.
Right, so we all come down with 4 RCs and we've got 1 left that's up and running. Even Gaz broke his. That's saying something.
Oh!
That was close.
Michael's in the car as well.
Does Gareth want to buy HPI chuggy roller for spares for his car?
In fact, it is rolling. Your drive shaft spinning. Popped out the cup there.
Oh, bugger.
Yeah. And the screw dropped out just there.
Yeah. Easy fix.
It is, and I've actually got some of them in the car. This means go back to the car to get them.
Ah! This is just total carnage here. Steer to the left a bit. Keep it straight. Jump. The carnage.
I think mine's dead.
Battery.
Yeah, for some reason that servo seemed to have gone when I was trying to push that over. You know when you was rocking back in two? Yeah. I think that's what ripped the teeth. What are you going to take the GoPro?
Shell's off.
Drag the shell this way, dude. No, don't drive over it. Just because you can. I'm glad we didn't get no video of mine.
The noise it's making.
What the fuck was that?
And then the look on your face.
It's got turbo.
Broke it.
Yeah, broken.
Game over.
Hey Dane.
Yeah?
Second set of batteries. That's not bad for you.
What have I done to it?
I would say spur gear. Over that. Hey, what if the pinions come off the motor? Oh, this is serious. The shoebox has come out.
Yeah.
Let's check the damage.
What do you reckon, spur gear?
Shouldn't be. It didn't sound like it was munching.
Sounded like it was a turbo letting off,
I
didn't it?
think what it could be is, you know, the little plastic drive gear that I said was a bit worn, Gareth. Do you remember me telling you? It's underneath that plate. Along, it could be that. If it is that, I've got another one on its way. Because it was £4.
Oh,
yeah.
Oh,
has it munched
well, that's
it?
a good excuse to put a 18 tooth on, isn't it?
Oh, he's took a tooth off it as well. Have you
Oh,
got
it's
your-
hot.
The spur gear good.
It would be. It's been spinning
Right.
loose.
Good point, Gary. Yeah, it's big. That'll be the noise I was hearing, the
Yeah.
slight clicking. I'll put it back on and carry on.
Hey Gaz, I got footage of your car working.
Well, yeah, only just.
Yours does?
It's click that back there.
It is. It doesn't drive in a straight line anymore.
No, steering's all shit on it too. Non-existent.
You see what I just did? What's this? Positioning it a bit better.
that like round 2?
Damn steering.